Most people know that the damage from a stroke can devastate a person's ability to speak or muscle control in different parts of the body. A surprising number of younger Americans have strokes. Those are often from a malformed blood vessel that breaks open in the brain. Tragically, the outcome of a stroke is usually negative. Of the 700,000 who have a stroke each year, 1/3 of victims die within days of the attack. Another third are permanently disabled. Only 1/3 actually recover. Dr. Lori Mosca is a rare physician. She's a preventive cardiologist. Though preventive cardiology isn't a popular choice as a specialty, there's not much money in it. Prevention could bring an abundance of health, as described in her book, Heart to Heart.
Eating a diet that's rich in fruits and vegetables, we know lowers blood pressure, which is good for stroke prevention. And also limiting salt intake can be very important in some people. Regular physical activity is important not only because it helps to improve cholesterol and blood pressure levels, but it also actually can cause a type of natural thinning of the blood. It works almost like aspirin.
Thinner blood is less likely to form a clot that blocks a blood vessel in the brain. Brain expert and physician Russell Blaylock also believes in preventing strokes and other circulatory diseases. He says there are health and nutrition secrets that can save your life. So he wrote a book about it. After all, strokes don't only threaten life and health, they're costly. The estimated total national cost of stroke for 2006 is $58 billion. The average lifetime cost of the most common type of stroke for one person is $140,000. Blaylock says to lower those numbers, the nation needs to fight the underlying subtle inflammation in the bloodstream. He identifies that as the major cause of cardiovascular diseases, including stroke. To fight strokes by fighting inflammation, many doctors like Mosca are recommending a diet high in colorful produce. There are many choices and many varieties. And Blaylock has a long list of supplements against inflammation and stroke, but his top 3 are fish oil high in the omega-3 fat called DHA, a strong anti-inflammatory; vitamin C, crucial for the strength of the blood vessels; magnesium, the #1 mineral for guarding the blood vessel linings. Blaylock also says better sleep can lower stress and inflammation. Meanwhile, the cholesterol-lowering drugs called statins, such as Lipitor, have now been found to be effective, largely because they are anti-inflammatory. But Blaylock says natural inflammation fighters are much more effective than the statins and have none of the side effects. In fact, over the last few years, medical research has confirmed that antioxidants and other nutrients are the best inflammation fighters, especially when used in combination. Once the public hears that, many people may start asking why this isn't one of the biggest medical stories of the new century. Galen Tethrow, CBN News.